Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but kiway pandep khap mania fila pan call haki niki number.
Menteri ka Sorkar jela uba kermen shela haka arpui tarik ujemang arajar arpusan ulaong ba ka Sorkar kadang Bishar ya ka Jingdawa ban penbana ya ka Jowai West Jante Hills District kum ka sama capital. Habakran cikilat patay gubor uba shela ulaong ba kipad ba kilapan dawa henrei ka syongpan hakara jong ka Sorkar namar ba ka jingpan kha ya ka winter ne summer capital kan wanra shibun ka jinglut jingsep ya ka playarong jong ka Sorkar.
If the government can accommodate, we don't mind. But to make it a capital, summer capital or winter capital, all this thing, a huge expenditure. Manpower required, expenditure required, and not just by saying this summer capital or winter capital, it happened. Huge expenditure and huge involvement will be there. So to make it happen, the government will see the possibility of it and then how to go about it. It's not easy. Okay, no doubt. People demand, people requirement. We will make it happen if it is in our capacity. But it's not easy to make it on one go. Time will come for that. So demand, proposal, we accept. But how to make it happen, the time will tell us.